Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to take a screenshot on Black Shark gaming tablet. In order to take a screenshot, you can do it in 3 different methods. The first one is pressing on 2 buttons on top of your device at once, or on the side, depending on how you hold it. The power and the volume down. You can see there are 2 volume buttons, the volume up and the volume down. The one that is further away from the power button is the volume down. When you press on both of them, it takes a screenshot, you can see. So when I, let's say, go to the settings and go to here, I want to screenshot it, I can press on power and volume down and then take a screenshot, and then later it is saved in my photos gallery. As you can see, I have different photos here. Well, there is the settings screenshot as well. Now the other method is using 3 fingers and sliding them from top down on the screen. It takes a screenshot as well. And the last method is to screenshot an app, just the app, by going to Resense. So if you don't have the 3 buttons on the bottom of your device, but just like the gestures, you can slide up and hold to get to the Resense, and then select an app, and you can click on its icon and screenshot it. Or if it's the app on top, the like most recently opened one, you can just click on screenshot here. I'll screenshot this. No, I actually can't screenshot it. Okay, let's screenshot the calendar. I'll click on screenshot, and now you can see the screenshot is saved. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.